Okay, it's almost 5 o'clock on November 4th. Day's work done. We have, thanks to Kyle who came and helped today, we have cleared all of the front porch boards. So, and the fascia across the front that was all rotted out. So we're ready for new boards, but we're letting them paint Monday, and then we'll come back and put the boards in after the fact. That's done. I'm just going to stay out here and then we'll go in. The dumpster is pretty much full, 20 yards. And we had my neighbor come by to the west of me here. His name's Jamie, and he used a little skid steer and compressed it down for us some so we could get more in there, but we're still pretty much full. As you can see, the back porch is pretty much the way it's going to be, at least from the outside, not the inside. But that's all cleared off. You see how it will be, again, temporary supports there. Here's my termite damaged wall. And again, I don't know structurally where we end up. Got a few good boards, but we got lots that are just completely, tissue paper. They're just completely rotted out, all the mud tunnels from them coming up. And so that's an exciting adventure. These over here look pretty good. And the corner's gone. Not quite sure what to do with this corner. I'm not even sure that stud is supporting much of anything, but I left it just in case. I'd rather be safe than sorry. And we've started to investigate what we're going to deal with here with these floorboards to pull them up and expose this deck. So that's where we're at on the exterior, which is really everything that I was working on today, was to get this cleaned up and ready to go so they can paint all this. And they power washed. That water came underneath the threshold here because it's not a exterior threshold, so when they power washed, it kind of did its business. These boards are going to go onto just be laid onto the porches out front and back so we can get in and out without falling through or anything. This has pretty much stayed the same. And I think that's it. So we're close to being ready to paint and ready for the dumpster to be gone. I forgot about that framing. Got a wheelbarrow there, and we got to pull all this down. So that's tomorrow's big project, is to get all this out. And then we'll be ready for the dumpster to be hauled off. So that's it. Hope you're enjoying the videos, and like, subscribe, do whatever it is that you do with videos, and thanks for watching. Bye.